Hello friends, my name is Rakul Chaturvedi and you are watching N Bharat English News Platform. We will talk about all the big news of the country. We will show you how a wall built just 2 months ago broke down in Uttarakhand. We will show you how Israel attacked Syria's military headquarters. But before that, let's take a look at the headlines. New twist in Ahmedabad plane crash, claim made on the basis of cockpit voice recording. Captain of the plane had turned off the fuel supply switches. Big announcement by Chief Minister Nitish Kumar before elections in Bihar. Promised to give 125 units of free electricity. Said our priority is service to the public. Israel's big attack on Syrian army headquarters. Syria suffered huge losses in the attack. Questions on those who organized the event after RCB's victory in Karnataka. Allegations of negligence in the investigation report. And the wall of the hospital built 2 months ago in Lohaghat of Champavat could not withstand even the first rain. The office of the fire department also got affected. Now the news in details. Cockpit voice recording of doomed Air India Flight 171 indicates the younger co-pilot asked his more experienced colleague why he turned off the plane's fuel supply switches. According to people familiar with the matter, the information from people who asked not to be identified because they are not authorized to speak publicly reveals for the first time who said what in the flight deck. The exchange was first mentioned in last week's preliminary report from India's Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau probing the June 12 crash in the western city of Ahmedabad, but without identifying the speakers. The initial investigation showed that the fuel control switches were turned off immediately after the plane departed. While the move was reversed about 10 seconds later, it was too late to avert the June 12 crash that killed 260 people on board the plane and on the ground. How the why switches came to be turned off, cutting the flow of fuel to the engines, are now the key lines of inquiry for investigators. Officials are probing with whether it could be result for a further of the plane systems or human error. The Karnataka government submitted its report to the Karnataka High Court, pointing out a series of lapses on the part of RCB and event organization. According to an India Today report, the government also put the limelight on a video by Virat Kohli appealing to fans to attend the event despite the city police denying permission. The submission also said the event organizer DN Entertainment Networks Private Limited and had merely informed the police on June 3 of a planned victory parade but had not sought formal permission, which is mandatory under a 2009 city order. The police denied permission for such an event. Despite that, the report says RCB went ahead with the promotion of the event, issuing public invitations through social media and the Virat Kohli video for fans to attend the free entry event on June 4. According to the government, the video appeal resulted in a massive turnout, leading to the stampede. Nitish Kumar announces free electricity up to 125 units in pole-bound Bihar. CM said the government had also decided to install solar power plants on the rooftops or the nearby public places of domestic consumers in the next 3 years. Ahead of the state assembly election, Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar on Thursday, July 17, announced that up to 125 units of electricity would be free for consumers in the state. Mr. Kumar shared this information on social media platform X early in this morning. We have been providing electricity to everyone at affordable rates from the very beginning. Now we have decided that from August 1, 2025, that is from the July bill itself, all domestic consumers in the state will not have to pay any money for electricity up to 125 units. He further said, we have also decided that in the next 3 years, with the consent of these domestic consumers, solar power plants will be installed on their rooftops or at nearby public places to provide benefits under the Kutir Jyoti scheme for extremely poor families. The state government will bear the entire cost of installing solar power plants, and for the rest, the government will provide appropriate support. The Israeli military struck the Syrian Defense Ministry in Damascus twice on Wednesday as it intervened in the clashes between the Syrian army and the Druze fighters in southern Syria, in the country's deadliest violence in months. The strikes collapsed 4 floors of the ministry and ruined its facade. The strikes killed 1 person and injured 18, Syrian officials said. It was the first time Israel has targeted Damascus since May, and the third day in a row it had conducted airstrike against the Syrian military. A spokesperson for the Israeli military said the strike on the defense ministry had been message to the Syrian president Ahmad al-Sharara regarding the events in Sweda. The Israeli military struck Syrian tanks on Monday and has continued to conduct dozens of drone strikes on troops, killing some soldiers. Israel had said it will not allow the Syrian army to deploy in the south of the country, and that is would protect the Druze community from the Damascus government. Many in the Druze community have rebuffed Israel's claim of patronage for fear of being viewed as a foreign proxy. CDO's strictness on the irregularity in Manrega, 2 development officers suspended in Haridwar. Haridwar administration यहीं से कर लो. Haridwar administration has taken strict action on the corruption in Manrega after complaints of irregularities to Gram Vikas Adhikaris have been suspended immediately. Irregularities were found in Manrega works in Gram Panchayat Garh and Anaiki of Bahadrabad block. Gram Vikas Adhikari Ravindra Saini and Pramod Saini were found guilty in the investigation. The district development officer immediately suspended both of them. Giving information, the chief development officer has told that the master roles of the Giving information, the chief development officer has told that the master roles of the deceased person were taken out, in which an investigation was conducted. After the completion of the investigation, immediate action was taken against the culprits and they have been suspended. The administration is committed to the zero tolerance policy towards corruption, and all the officials have been instructed to strictly follow the rules.
देखिए 2 ग्राम विकास अधिकारी हैं जिनको हमने सस्पेंड किया है, और उसमें मस्टर रोल जो निकाले गए थे, इसमें जो मृतक व्यक्ति हैं उनके मस्टर रोल निकाले गए, उसी को ध्यान में रखते हुए एक कार्रवाई की गई थी, और जो जांच रिपोर्ट आने के उपरांत तत्काल जो है प्रिलिमिनरी इंक्वायरी के उपरांत उनको सस्पेंड कर दिया गया.
The wall of the hospital campus built 2 months ago collapsed in heavy rain. Vehicles of police station and fire station shattered. The vehicle of Lohaghat police station in charge of fire department car and Bharat Singh personal car came under the debris of the wall. It was fortunate that the female fire personnel narrowly escaped the accident, but the barracks and the garage suffered heavy damage. Uttarakhand Agriculture Production Marketing Board had built the wall just 2 months ago. The entire structure collapsed in the first rain. Fire station in charge and local people raised serious questions on the quality of construction. Demand for investigation raised.
दूसरी बात यह है सर कि महिलाएं बैरिक महिलाएं जो हैं वो अंदर सो रही थी सर, ड्यूटी करने के बाद में सर, तो वहाँ पर उनको भी नुकसान बहुत ज़्यादा गिर जाती, तो फिर भी एक किनारा साइड का वो क्षतिग्रस्त हो गया है. और लेकिन उन्होंने लापरवाही किया सर, पीछे बिल्डिंग बन रही है, 2 फीट की गहराई से उन्होंने बीम डालना शुरू कर दिया. इसको बीम की गहराई काफ़ी होना चाहिए और नीचे सपोर्ट होना चाहिए, तब इश्यू होता है सर. कोई गाड़ी है सर, और हमारी गाड़ी मनी वाटर है और मोटरसाइकिल एक फायर सर्विस कर्मचारी की प्राइवेट गाड़ी है सर, बोरा जी की, भरत बोरा की, वो गाड़ी क्षतिग्रस्त हो गई पीछे. और बाकी गाड़ी सर हम चेक करके सब इस श्रीमान जी हमने CFO साहब को, कप्तान साहब को, CU साहब को इसे अवगत करा दिया. साहब ने बोला था अभी कि भाई क्या क्या नुकसान हुआ, क्या क्या, उसके बारे में हमने सारी स्थिति उनको बता दी है. ये सर बच गए, बहुत अच्छा सर बच गए हैं, नहीं तो फिर जब बिल्डिंग गिरती थी नीचे से क्षतिग्रस्त हो जाती तो मतलब पूरी बैरिक हमारी गिर जाती है. तो वैसे सर, और हमारी बैरिक ऑफिस नीचे है हमारा, तो उसको भी हानि हो जाती है, लेकिन फिर भी दरारें आई हुई हैं सर.
Keep watching and Bharat Media Network.